What's up, everybody? I'm here to show you how you can make a simple public land approved accessory strap for the tree when you're out hunting. It's going to take your normal run-of-the-mill strap with cleats and buckles and anything that can get really bulky and noisy and bring it down to this size. So what I've done is I've taken about a 7-foot piece of 550 cord and I've tied a loop on one side, simple knot, and also I've put on a couple of friction knots. I've got 2 or 3 of them on here and one at the very end on this other side, which I'll show you how to utilize in a second to hang your pack on, which cinches everything and holds it tight. So when you're up in your stand, you're just going to simply put it around the tree. And I like to have my bag on the right side of the tree because that's my weak side shot. So I'll make sure this loop is over here. Once you have it in a spot that you like, you take that bottom friction hook or friction knot and you slide it up all the way and give it a good tightening. From there, I'll pull out a couple of my size 3 S hooks that I have in my bag and also a hero clip that I got off of Amazon. I'll put the bag hook on the bag loop and that holds everything right there. I can then move these knots around the rope to where I like it. Clip up the hero clip. Can knock an arrow when I'm ready. And that's just gonna hang right there. I've also got other knots on this string that I can hang my grunt tube or a rangefinder or whatever you want. So to tie one of these knots, all I did was taken maybe a 10-inch piece of accessory cord and tied a knot at the end. And then all you have to do to tie more of these on here is pull that loop just a little bit up through here. You're going to take the bottom part, feed it through that loop you made and back around that main cable. You can do it 3 times. There's 1, 2, and then a 3rd. Back and around. Once you have it like that, you're going to pull that bottom tight, dress it up, and there you go. This sucker can slide around, and now you've got another loop.